Itsuki, help me! Help me find these two perfect things to combine, so we can make happy bread!
Sure, okay. That night, we tried every coupling imaginable. And we ate so much bread and fruit and seafood that I almost got sick. But finally, we found the perfect pairing, and it was time to make our magic.
Please be gentle with it. Go slow.
Yes, I promise.
It's working!
I think we found our happy bread here.
And of course we'll call it...
Chikuwa sausage bread!